Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce Android 8.0 oreo system. Android has a unit special for Renault Captur 2011 to 2018 years. Okay, this is a box. Let me unbox review. Open the box. Okay, you can check the head unit with other harness. Okay. Can we remove the unit? Let me check the harness. This is special harness with canvas box. Okay. Let me check this compass decoder. Okay, this is special harness. Okay. Okay, this is harness. This is GPS antenna. This is external microphone. Two USB cable with the external microphone. Okay, this is AUX input, left and right. This video input. Okay, this camera input, radio, antenna. This is audio cable, subwoofer. Okay, this is audio, video 1 and video 2, video out. Okay, this is audio for front and rear. Okay. This is driving agent. This is head unit. back. Okay, let me power QM voltage to head unit. Okay, the head unit turn on. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, let me move the okay, the head unit will be start. Okay, start here. Okay, you can check this UI interface. It's RAM 4 GB, ROM 32 GB, and very fast octa core. Me install wallpaper. Set the wallpaper with home. You can check already installed. Here is reset home, microphone, this button. Okay, let me check the settings. System, about machine. You can check model is PX5 octa-core rack chip. Android version is 8.0 oreo. Okay. You can adjust this button color in settings elements. Choose gray, blue, orange, yellow. You also can adjust any color on this. Adjust. Okay, that's all. Thank you.